They just put the new pieces in here that was warped and rotted. They started with the texture, they smoothed out the edges. They removed all these shelves over here, put in brand new doors, sanded this. You see the before video, these were old. This was the old washing machine, 18 inches. They're gonna cut this whole thing out to here. We're gonna put a brand new 30-inch one here and make some cool storage with this last 8 to 12 inches here. There was a built-in stove and microwave. We tore that out. We're just gonna put a nice new modern one in here. That's gonna save us about $1,000 in that appliance. This is gonna be your office. We could tear this wall down to make the garage full, but I think we get more value with the office being here. And then I'll show you the deck. All the rooms pretty much look the same, so you're not missing anything in terms of seeing just more walls that look like this. These doors are beautiful. They're gonna stain the deck. They took the lattice that was here, they're gonna take it off, and they put this cement board so nothing goes under it, and that lasts you 20 years. They're gonna put new steps. We're gonna finish the top, and that's it.